It's 2023, and the way you'll market your business this year is going to be really different from how you've done it in the past. There are so many new opportunities that just hit the scene, and the most powerful marketing strategies that you can use in 2023 to take your business from this to this. Now, modern marketing really falls into 5 big buckets or categories. Content marketing is the first bucket. If you want to create content that's going to really make an impact this year, and for the foreseeable future, it's all about short-form vertical video, so I'm talking TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. When TikTok took the world by storm toward the beginning of the pandemic, not only did it resonate big time with cooped-up viewers, but it also got plenty of attention from other social media apps. Instagram made their play by introducing Reels, and YouTube made their play by introducing Shorts. Whenever these major players roll out new features, they are gonna incentivize you to use them, with more views, which brings more visibility and more engagement. Short-form video looks like it's here to stay, and it's probably your best bet for those higher levels of engagement and to be remembered by your target audience. If you are worried this will only attract Gen's ears, that's not necessarily the case. First of all, TikTok's user base is aging up, with 53% of its users now over the age of 30. Plus, when you post those same videos as Reels on Instagram, you're able to reach an even more mature audience. Studies have shown that if you really want to grow on these platforms, you need to commit to at least 1 video per day to prove how powerful daily Reels can be. Instagram expert Dominic Rieger challenged 5 random students of his to do just that, and the ones who actually stuck with it for 60 days saw their follow accounts explode to over 34,000 people, but the slackers who only posted once per week grew by about 40 followers. Wes, how can I possibly produce and post a video every single day? It doesn't have to be as hard as you think. My first piece of advice: don't be precious about the production value. In other words, your videos don't have to look like Oscar-winning masterpiece. It's really not about that videos that look like this work perfectly well. And there are actually a few types of videos that you can churn out with really minimal planning and effort. Here are a few ideas to get you started so you can create videos that offer quick tip advice, a process you use, a surprising statistic related to your niche, a product you love, a book you recommend, or a tool that you can't live without. And you can present any of these ideas in any number of ways. You can do a talking straight to camera, or with some related point of view video in the background and text on screen, or even with the green screen feature. The way this works best is if you could just put aside a time block of a few hours every week to work on batch creating your videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive all new